Revolut is the largest neobank in Europe, and with the introduction of German IBAN numbers, Revolut can be a good option if you are looking for a free bank account in Germany. But what features does Revolut have? What are ref points? How to use Revolut's investment account? Is it safe to use Revolut in a foreign country? And which Revolut subscription would be best for you? I answer all these questions and much more in my Revolut review. By the way, if you're new to the channel, my name is Essen. I'm a researcher, and on this channel, we discuss business and personal finance in Germany. Now, Revolut is a new bank founded in 2015 in London. The bank behind Revolut is based in Lithuania and has a corresponding Lithuanian license. Revolut is now introducing a German International Bank Account Number (IBAN) for its customers in Germany. Because Revolut has set up a base in Germany and registered it with BaFin, the Federal Financial Supervisory Authority. So the account of new customers with a German address will get a German IBAN number, and the accounts of existing German customers will be moved there gradually. Originally starting with a debit card that mainly enabled payments in various currencies, Revolut now considers itself a type of financial super app with a wide range of products. In addition to the checking account and various foreign currency account options, users can now open a securities account and trade stocks, trade cryptocurrencies, take out a loan, choose from a variety of card options, and collect points through the Ref Points program, which can be converted into miles. Now, Revolut offers subscription plans that impact the pricing and conditions of the services. The standard subscription is free, giving you access to a no-cost checking account. There are 4 additional subscription models: Plus, Premium, Metal, and Ultra, ranging from $3.99 per month up to €50 per month. Alright, let's have a look at the products Revolut has to offer. First is the debit card. With Revolut, there is a distinction between virtual and physical cards. In Revolut, you can create as many virtual cards as you want. These are not sent to your home but can be linked to Apple Pay or Google Pay and used for normal payments with your phone or online. These virtual cards are single-use disposable cards, meaning that they can be used for just one-time payments. The card details are generated, and once the card is used, it will be destroyed after the one-time purchase and cannot be reused. In addition to the virtual cards that you can have sent to you for a shipment fee of €7.99 in the standard model. Each additional card would cost €6, or you can also opt in for more exclusive cards that are more expensive. For example, a 24-karat gold-plated card for €79.99. Unfortunately, not every subscription model can be combined with every card type. For example, if you choose the standard model, your card selection is relatively limited. If you want higher-end cards, you would have to upgrade to a higher subscription. One thing all of these cards have in common is that they are debit cards, which can be either Visa or MasterCard depending on which card type you get. For example, at the time of making this video, the gold-plated card is only available with MasterCard. You can even personalize the cards. The personalization card fee is €3.99 on the standard subscription, while there is no additional fee if you choose the premium Revolut subscriptions. By the way, if you would like to try Revolut, you can use the link in the video description or this QR code. This supports the channel at no additional cost to you, and you can even get a promotional bonus depending on when you are watching this video. Now, Revolut provides a checking account with a savings option. If you opt for Revolut Standard, the account is free and you can withdraw up to €200 in cash per month with a maximum of 5 withdrawals. After that, Revolut charges 2% of the withdrawal amount with a minimum fee of €1. The higher tier subscription models offer more cash withdrawal allowance, €400, €800 and €2,000 depending on the subscription. With the Revolut account, there is also a so-called savings account. Now, this isn't your typical savings account. It's simply an interest offer. Your deposits are actually invested in a so-called money market fund, and you receive variable interest rate depending on which subscription model with Revolut you have. The interest rates may change when you open an account, as it all depends on the overall market rates. Another popular feature of Revolut is the unlimited number of sub-accounts, also known as pockets, which help organize your finances effectively. These pockets can also be shared with other Revolut users, but this option does not make it a joint account. The main account holder retains the ownership and only grants access to other users. There is, however, the option to set up joint accounts with separate IBAN IBAN numbers and 2 cards, one for each partner. Revolut also offers a sub-account for children aged 7 to 18 based on the parent's account. These sub-accounts come with their own card and access to the Under 18 Revolut app, where you can transfer pocket money and monitor transactions directly from your app. This could be quite interesting if you have a child and want to teach them how to manage their finances at an early age. Please hit the like button if you're getting value from this video and consider subscribing. A new addition to the app is the points collection program from Revolut called Rev Points. You can earn points in many different ways and use them later on. Depending on your subscription model, you can receive points based on your spending. In the standard and plus models, you earn 1 point for every 10 euros you spend. In the premium option, you get 1 point for every 4 euros spent. In metal, you get 1 point for every 2 euros spent, while in the ultra model, you earn 1 point for every 1 euro spent. Another way to collect Rev Points is by allowing Revolut to round up your payment. This feature is called Spare Change Savings, and you can receive 1 point for every 2 cents of spare change. You can decide on the multiplier for your spare change. For example, if you buy something for 90 cents, Revolut would round up to 1 euro, contributing 10 cents to your Revolut points. This would give you exactly 5 points. If you choose a multiplier of 2, then 20 cents would be debited and you would receive 10 points. Now, it's important to understand with the spare change option, you effectively buy these points with real money. So this is not a bonus. The amount is deducted from your account. Another way to earn Rev Points is completing various challenges, like making a certain number of transactions in a defined amount of time, maintaining certain goals like your budgeting goals, and many others. So how can you redeem the Rev Points? Well, at the time of making this video, there is no way to convert the Rev Points to actual cash, but there are other interesting things that you can do with them. For example, you can convert Rev Points to miles on a one-to-one basis with more than 30 airline partners. You can redeem them for discounts on stays and expenses, and also get exclusive discount. Revolut also offers an investment account, which makes it an interesting option for many people. You can trade a wide range of investments, from stocks and bonds to ETFs and various cryptocurrencies. Now, cryptocurrencies are placed in the crypto menu, while stocks and ETFs are available in the invest section. The trading costs depend on your subscription model. In the standard model, you can make one free trade per month, after which a 0.25% fee applies, with a minimum of 1 euro per trade. High subscription models allow for more trading at lower fees. The one free trade also applies to savings plans, as currently there is no distinction between regular trades and savings plans. You can set up a savings plan which executes on a regular basis, but each execution would count as an order. If, for example, you set up an ETF plan executing monthly and make no other trades, it will be free of charge. Obviously, things can change from time to time, so make sure you check the pinned comment for any major changes or visit snfinance.com for my written article on the topic. Remember, stocks are always purchased and displayed in the local currency. For example, if you buy an Nvidia share traded in US dollars, it will be paid for and displayed in US dollars. Therefore, be careful of the currency limit. Exceeding them will incur exchange fees. Also, Revolut does not offer the bid-ask spread upfront, meaning that you cannot see how large the spread is on a security before making a purchase. You also cannot see through which exchange the transaction is processed until the trade is completed. In the crypto menu, you can also buy well-known cryptocurrencies and transfer them to your own wallet. This option is quite interesting compared to other German brokers like Trade Republic or Scalable Capital, which do not allow you to transfer crypto from their platform to your own wallet or other exchanges. But compared to those other German brokers, one significant drawback is that Revolut does not automatically deduct capital gains tax. This means that you are responsible for including capital gains in your tax declaration and paying taxes separately if you use the investment account or earn interest through Revolut. However, this does not apply if you use just the checking account and the cards. With Revolut, you can set up accounts in 36 different currencies. You can transfer money between these currency accounts seamlessly, and it is automatically converted for you. This can be very useful for people who frequently deal with multiple currencies, such as those who travel frequently. It is also practical for vacations abroad. You can set up an account in the local currency beforehand and convert money into that currency. When you pay with your Revolut card abroad, the payments will always be debited from the corresponding local currency account. For example, if you're in the Turkey and make payments with your card, the money will be debited from your lira account. This allows you to control the exchange rate at which transactions take place and ensure you aren't taken advantage of by local banks or payment providers offering poor exchange rates. The same applies to transfers. If you receive money in a foreign currency, it will be credited to the corresponding account. If you want to make a foreign currency transfer, you can do so directly from the relevant currency account. If you are abroad and don't have a specific currency account set up but use your card anyway, Revolut will convert the amount into the necessary currency for each transaction and debit your euro account. Now let's look at the costs and conditions. With the standard model, you can exchange up to 1000 euro per month into other currencies without incurring any fees. After that, a 0.5% fee applies. The Plus model has the same 1000 euro per month limit, while higher tier plans allow unlimited currency exchanges. One important thing to note is that you should avoid exchanging currencies over the weekend, as Revolut generally charges a 1% fee during the weekend. So if you exceed your 1000 euro limit, the total fee can reach up to 1.5%. Additionally, the exchange rate is set by Revolut, which does not follow the official interbank rate. This is the standard for banks, but is important to know as it may result in a slightly less favorable rate that makes your transaction a bit more expensive. For foreign currency transactions, the same conditions apply as to currency exchanges. So make sure you avoid making transactions on the weekend, as Revolut imposes a 1% fee during that period. It would be better if you set up a foreign currency account in the local currency before traveling abroad. You can then fund it with the local currency during the week and use your card over the weekend, avoiding the 1% fee. Now, Revolut offers a great free checking account with amazing foreign currency features, an all-in-one banking solution where you can manage savings, expenses, cryptocurrencies, and point collection all within one app. The app is very powerful and feature-rich. So in addition to the checking account, Rev Points, investment account, and foreign currency account, Revolut offers many other interesting features. For example, you can link your Revolut account to other popular bank accounts in Germany like Deutsche Bank, DKB, etc. and see all your account info, direct debits, subscriptions, and money to keep an eye on all of your cash. You can take out a loan up to 50,000 euros within the Revolut app and repay it flexibly. Now, personally speaking, I do not like taking out personal loans, going into overdraft, or improperly using credit. But sometimes you do need to make credit transactions with the help of a credit card. In this video, I compare some of the best free credit cards in Germany and how to properly use a credit card. And in this video, I compare Revolut with some of the best free bank accounts in Germany. So thanks for watching, bleib gesund, and I'll see you in either of these two videos.